General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Notion got AIs trying to sell something. Seven, 21, 25. I believe today was a no news day. Nevertheless, what is tomorrow? Powell do a talk. Richmond Manufacturing Index. Powell, not gonna say nothing. Watch 10 a.m. I don't expect Powell to move the market tomorrow. The thing I found interesting is the Google chart. Like, I think somebody was saying S&T, ES, and Dow tanking, but NASDAQ wasn't tanking. But NASDAQ is the tech part, and Google has earnings. Yeah, this ain't even. Whoa, hold up. Okay. This went up 2%. That's pretty significant. Over the weekend. What happened over the weekend? Trump threatened to fire Powell again. A few of the Fed people said they'd cut rates. But is that worth 2%? September 17th. What earnings? Tuesday. Coca-Cola is a big deal. Hold on, let me make sure I'm getting all of it. If Coca-Cola started doing bad, then you know the economy's terrible. If you can't afford a Coca-Cola, it's over. That's how you would know it's the end of America. Coca-Cola ain't make no money. Nothing. Move. Wednesday. Tomorrow. Good watch. KO. Since it is a staple in the economy and could give hints to the strength of the economy. Dollar on a daily. Ooh, this is what I needed. This is look, it's still saying bullish. Nah, we ready now. I made this bias indicator. I've just been on the indicator marathon, but it's gonna help. I'm gonna use it for planning out swing trades and then holding. This is actually probably the first time it said bullish in this whole run up. Let me look at that. I'm at it. Sit out. Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's might as well. So this is actually a good time to sell. It's trapping in buyers. Okay. Retracement over. I don't like the new week opening gap being left like that. So I won't go all in just yet. This could be a Tuesday low of the week scenario where we keep retracing. And going up. So bearishness is not confirmed. There we go. Okay. Take this off. This was hit. I think we talked about this yesterday. Target hit update, new all-time high. Oh, if you want this indicator too, I'm pretty sure The link in the bio has a Telegram, man. You should be able to get my trading view and all that good stuff. Because I think it's public. It should be public. I'm pretty sure it is. Let's go to the weekly. Ooh. We have us a pull up. Pull back. I think that's too far for this week as far as targets. Is this higher than this? Nope. It will have to go from here to here. Then I'll have to tag this, which is 23. 555. What's the objective? It'll be the target for tomorrow too. Tuesday. I don't know. I don't want a Tuesday high of the week because then I don't want it to sell off after Google. I wanted to buy into Google. I just wanted to be a one-sided week so that way when NFP and stuff like that come around for the next monthly cycle, we can maybe retrace. It's the last week of this month. This TP will be for next month. This weekly objective will be for this week. This new all-time high made. Looking for higher prices for the week. Weekly objective and 23,555. Yep, that's so easy. Go to the daily. Actually, not that far from it. This should be here. Still beautiful, uncapped. Nobody touched this fair value gap. We do have a close above a high. It's a weak close. Weak close. This is a down candle. I want to see buys from here. Buys to sit out. Yeah, because we did just leave this consolidation range. This could be the failure swing for the OLR, then the move up. This could be the fake out all-time high run. Lure in early buyers, come smack them out, reaccumulate down here. I could see that. Let me see. Oh boy. That'll be for a down move. Okay, we already got our target. I guess if I really want to look and say this could be a fake out move, I have to pick what do I want to stay above in order to stay bullish. Would it be this down candles? Or would it be just this candle itself? Because we can still be bullish and buy from under Monday's low. That's a normal thing. Tuesday low of the week, keep going. What would tell me we're going through here besides going through here? A close. This would be like the inversion level. We close through here. We can start selling. Looking to buy from daily order block level. Okay. Not looking for sales unless we close through the bullish fair value gap and use it as resistance. IFEG. Let's go to H4. Oh, the new day just started. Let's take this off. Got previous week's high here. Where's Friday's low? We still never touched it. Friday's low is interesting. Like, it needs to be dealt with. This is the line in the sand. Previous week's high. Got us a nice down candle. We're in a fair value gap right now. I can see us buying from here, using this like a reclaimed block, coming down, buy from up into here. I'll look for sales tomorrow for the buys. The rest of the week look better for one shot, one kill to me. That's just my personal opinion. The way order flow has been going, like everything else has been selling, but NASDAQ is like, no. Like we could just chop, honestly. 75% of the time the market is sideways anyway. That's why we pick the times that we pick to come trade. We trade right when the market opens, most people. I prefer to buy under Friday's low. But order flow is still bullish. And the retracements have been shallow. You are better off buying under Asia low to catch the trend. Go to H1. My target is this. Just 23, 32, 75. I could find another one, but it don't even make sense. Nah, let me find another one because we will get some motion. Not because of the news. I think we're going to get some motion because there's a lot of participation going on right now. Where's this at? 497.00. I do like that reddish color that it is. Looks like it's lighter red though. They be cheating. They got the fib colors hard. That's not even a color I can access. Alright, whatever. That's a nice maroon color though. Alright, that's my target. 23,497. Alert set at this order block. I think this is a daily order block. Just double check it. Yep. Don't worry, my chart's not all cluttered. Like I said, start watching. Start looking for buys. Buys at daily order block. Buying discount or under Asia lows. Yeah, it's either or. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Peace.